ready to automate your SMS and phone calls using the power of N8n and Twilio. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up if you haven't already once you're logged in. Locate your account SID and auth token on your Twilio dashboard. These are your keys to connecting N8n. Now, let's jump into N8n. Open your N8n instance and create a new workflow search for the Twilio Node in the Nodes panel and drag it onto your canvas. Click on the Twilio Node. You'll see fields for your credentials. Copy your account SID and auth token from your Twilio dashboard and paste them into the corresponding fields within the N8n Twilio Node settings. Next, configure the Twilio operation. Select Send SMS from the drop-down menu. Then, enter your Twilio phone number in the From Number field, the recipient's phone number in the To Number field, and type your message in the Message Body field. To trigger your SMS, connect a trigger node like a webhook or a cron node to the Twilio node. This determines when your SMS message will be sent. For example, a webhook can send an SMS when a form is submitted on your website. Finally, execute your workflow by clicking the Execute Workflow button. Check your phone. You should receive your test SMS message. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Twilio with N8n.